Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make sabudana kheer or sagoo kheer, and it is so simple and delicious. It is quick and easy, required very less ingredient. In this bowl over here I have my sabudana, which is my sagoo pearl Topioca. So I'm gonna add milk in this bowl right here. I want this sabudana or this Topioca pearl to be soaked in this milk, and then we also need coronation or evaporated milk, and then sweetened condensed milk. We need some either you can use chopped almond or chopped pistachio for garnishing, and then we need a little more milk for later, but for right now we have to let this soak in this milk for at least between 45 minutes. I would say 45 minutes should be fine. Over medium-low heat. I'm using a non-stick saucepan here. It's very important to use non-stick for this recipe. When we deal with milk especially, we really need non-stick. So I'm just gonna add this sabudana, sagoo, or the pearl Topioca into this saucepan, and then I'm gonna add the coronation milk or evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk. Just make sure to stir it constantly so the milk doesn't burn. And it's been 20 minutes and over low heat. I kept stirring it, and the sagoo, the sabudana, didn't cook yet, as you can see. How you're gonna know is if the sagoo cook is, you're gonna see it's gonna look like translucent, and then you know your sagoo is cooked. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it, and this is a kheer and it has to go thicker than that. So keep stirring. And guys, it's been 45 minutes and the kheer, the sagoo kheer, is cooking, and now it is ready. You can see how it's boiling, it's bubbling, and then the sagoo is already cooked, soft, and I did add another cup of milk. I would like to leave my kheer like this because as you leave it, it's gonna get a little thicker. So I like to have a thicker kheer, so like it's also creamy, and this is a texture that I want in this kheer. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn the heat off. Okay guys, our creamy sagoo kheer, sabudana kheer, or Topioca pearl kheer is ready. It is just a nice dessert, simple dessert. It takes like 45 minutes to cook and another 45 minutes to an hour to soak, and rather than that, this is just a simple kind of kheer and required very less ingredients that you probably have on hand, and anytime dessert is ready. And this is how the texture is looking right now. The thickness, I'm leaving it like this, and as it cool down, it's gonna get a little thicker. I don't want my kheer to be too watery. I'm gonna write the written ingredient down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.